Okay, so we are doing more problem solving, word problems, but this is time it's problem solving word problems. So let's learn together, guys. A bus from Penrith to Sydney carries 65 people. A train from Penrith to Sydney carries 8 times as many people as the bus. How many people can travel from Penrith to Sydney on 3 full trains? This is why it's problem solving. It's a tricky word problem and there's lots going on. Okay, so I've got my highlighter ready. A bus from Penrith to Sydney carries 65 people. That's the bus. I'm going to highlight that that's the bus. A train from Penrith to Sydney carries 8 times as many people. And this is multiplication. When you see times, you go, that's multiplication. Okay, so we need to learn those skills. Okay, how many people can travel from Penrith to Sydney on 3 full trains? That's a lot of information and there's quite a few steps there. So in our bubble, we're going to understand. So let me get ready to write all over my screen again. How many people does the bus from Penrith to Sydney carry? Okay, so the bus carries 65 people. All right, I don't know if I can write 65 neatly. That's as neat as it gets, kiddos. How many times as many people as the bus does the train carry? So 3 times. Can you see that there's a multiplication sentence occurring? And what do I need to find? Well, I need to find out how many people on 3 full trains. So that would be 65 times 3, and then you would do that times 3 again. So I can draw a bar model to help me solve the problem. So here's my bus in this red little block. It's 65 people on my bus. And then here's my train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 times as many people. Remember, I'm just helping you understand the word problems. I'm not doing the actual math number sentences for you because we've done all of this. So you just have to go back and flick through your pages and you've got all those let's learn. You can remind yourself and revise. And I always provide revision sheets in your extension area on our timetable. Okay, so they've got 65 times 8 is 520. And see how they've done the working out here. And there was some regrouping. That's why the 4 is there. The train can carry 520 people. So we know that this beautiful orange graph there, bar model, is 520 people. That's a lot of people on a train. Now we take that 520 and times 3. And see up here, when I was rereading the question and I highlighted it, and then I went through the bubble and thought about the questions I could ask, how in asking and understanding it, I could work out, it's going to be 65 times 3 for 1 full train. And then the 1 full train amount times 3 trains will get me the 3 train full amount. So it's just all about taking your time and reading it. Now, I don't expect you to be quick like me. Some of you are, most of you not. I expect you just to do your best. So come down here, 520 times 3 equals 1,560, and they have done that maths right there. 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, so 1,560 people can travel from Penrith to Sydney on 3 full trains. And here we've got a type of check. Now we could check by using division, but they've done addition. And they've done 65 plus 65 plus 65 all the way to 520. Oh, my son has just turned up. But you can't see him because he's smaller than the bench. Here we go. All right. So we can check our answers and make sure that they're correct. And so James, say hello to everyone.
Hello.
And tell them that they need to work really hard.
Yeah.
Say, work really hard. Oh, look, he's showing his muscles. All right, have some fun, guys, and make sure you do your very, very best learning. See ya.